guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing my second Boxycharm box of this month. So this Boxycharm is for the month of September, which I am super excited to share with you guys. So pretty much what Boxycharm is, it's a subscription box that you pay $21 monthly and you get 4 to 5 full-size products of either makeup or skincare. That's why I really recommend you guys subscribing to Boxycharm, because you're getting majority of the things in here for free, because in reality you only pay $21 and you're gonna get $100 worth of things. So yes guys, if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to Boxycharm, I'm gonna be leaving their link down below so you guys can go ahead and click it and check it out. But for now guys, let's get started on the things that I got. So the first thing that I got that I was super excited to try was this Tarte Clay Playface Shaping Palette. And it looks like this. So pretty much it has some shadows up here and it has some bronzing colors down here. It smells really good guys. So pretty much this thing retails for $45. And yeah, I really like the packaging of it. It looks really nice. So yeah. So let's move on to our second thing that I got, which was a Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So pretty much you apply this before you go to bed, and it's supposed to help you lock in moisture overnight to reduce redness and inflammation in your face. And this thing actually goes for $52 guys. $52, and I only paid $21 for this whole box. The third item that I got in this month's box is a 5-piece brush kit. So this 5-piece brush kit actually comes with brushes to help you blend and detail your eyes. The retail price for these brushes is actually $28. Look like this. So the fourth item that I got in this month's Boxycharm is actually this $1 billion brow. And it's supposed to give you the microblade effect. So if you can see close up, it actually has 3 little streaks to make it look like hair. This little brow pen actually goes for $18. And honestly, this is unique. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anybody create a little brow pen that's supposed to make it look like you microbladed your eyebrows. So this is super cool guys. So the last item that I got is actually an eyeliner, and it's called the Hank and Henry Blackety Black Eyeliner. That's actually a very funny name. So this eyeliner goes for $20, and I'm gonna be trying this out on my eyes. So yeah guys, so pretty much this Boxycharm came with 5 items that are worth more than $21, as we can see. So now that I have showed you guys and shared with you guys a little bit of the products that I got, I want to go ahead and put them into play on my face. So let's get started guys. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this brow brush that I got in the 5-piece brush set, and I'm going to be using it to do my eyebrows. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up with some concealer now. Now that I have concealed my eyelids, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Tarte palette right here. So the first shadow that I'm going to be using all over my eye is going to be this shadow right here. It's like a baby pink called Journey. I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my eyelid. I'm going to be using one of the brushes that I got in the 5-piece brush kit. The next shade that I'm going to be adding into my crease is going to be the shade called Ember, and it's this shadow right here. I'm going to go ahead and use another brush from the 5-piece set, but this is more like a packing brush, so I'm going to go ahead and use this to pack this shadow into my crease. So now that I have packed it onto my crease, I'm going to go ahead and use another brush, but this time I'm going to be using more of a precise blending brush. And I'm going to go ahead and use this on my crease to blend out what I just packed on. Now that I have blended those all together, I'm going to be using the next shadow called Solstice, I think it's called. This is white pearl color right here, and I'm going to go ahead and add that on my lid. Now to finish off my simple eye makeup, I'm going to be using a blending brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade called Smoke, and it's a darker brown color like this one right here. And I'm going to be going ahead and using that one on my crease to darken this up and make it look a little bit more smoky. Now that I have smoked up my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up with the makeup remover wipe, and I'm going to go ahead and come back so we can get started on my eyeliner with the eyeliner that I got in this month's Boxycharm. I'm going to be using the Hank & Henry eyeliner here. Alright guys, now that I have done my eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyelashes, my foundation off of camera so we can come back and use a Tarte palette to bronze up my face with these colors right here that I really want to try out. So I'll be back. Alright guys, I already went off camera and did my foundation. I went ahead and set my foundation as well. And like I said, I was going to apply some falsies, which I already did. So now that I have done that, yeah, I'm probably going to try this middle one right here. It is called Desert. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it on a brush. And I'm going to go ahead and try and contour my face with that color. So I'm going to just grab a little bit since I don't want to overpack it. So I'm just going to grab a little bit on my brush. And let's go ahead and try this out. I feel like this is a perfect shade for me because I feel like if I would have done Timber, I think it would have been way too dark. So I feel like the shade Desert fits perfectly with my skin tone. I feel like the other tone called Terracotta, I think that's how you pronounce it. I feel like that's more a pinkier tone, so I wouldn't really want to go with that tone. So that's why I went with Desert. So now that I have done my cheeks, I'm going to go ahead and apply some on my jawline. I'm also going to apply some down my nose so I can contour my nose a little. So while I let my nose bake, I'm going to go ahead and do my blush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight, and then we'll be back so we can go ahead and finish my lips and finish my eyes, so then we can finish this whole look. I'm gonna also apply some highlight in my inner corner, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out on my nose. So now that my face is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same shadows that I did on the top of my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply them on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. This is actually one of the items that I got in my last Boxycharm. If you guys want to go ahead and check out my last Boxycharm, I'm gonna go ahead and put the little link up here so you guys can go ahead and click it and watch it. That is the Boxycharm for the month of August. Alright guys, I'm gonna be finishing off my look with some lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the final look for today's makeup tutorial / review for the Boxycharm items that I got this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be leaving my little social media links down below so you guys can go ahead and follow them. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and hit the little bell notification so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video, and hope to see you guys on the next video. See you guys soon, guys.